Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
Form the new working committee of Congress party with 50-50, that is 50% of the youngsters who are below 50. In all other appointments also, now Congress party will have the follow-up of 50-50 model, where 50% office bearers will be below 50 and 50% will be above 50. With that model, with that new CWC, when it is formed, it will be discussed in the CEC, in the CWC, and decisions will be taken. The new CWC will be formed in the coming days. It will be formed by April end. The new CWC will be formed. When it is formed, we will be able to see that what CWC takes the decision. Congress leadership and common ground is more needed. Nationally, we are on a parliamentary level. We are on a common ground with the other parties who was, because previous two sessions Aam Aadmi Party was not with us. Okay. Before that, BRS was not part of it. For they are coming to terms with the changing situation across India. So they are joining the opposition like-minded party, which is Kharge led Congress party, which is having that approaches. Therefore, we should wait for those kind of steps in Goa, and Goa also, the state level leadership has to decide how to take it forward. Nationally, it is not a understanding or an electoral understanding there. It is a parliamentary arrangement, where parliament we are coming for a common issues been identified. We are working on it. It is not turned into an electoral understanding. Congress party will continue to raise the issue of Modi-Adani relationship, and particularly the Adani scam, which is a very bigger scam than ever India has faced it. For Congress party, will continue to raise the Adani issue in the parliament, and we will ask for a JPC in the days to come. This is about the parliament thing. Today's meeting, the Political Affairs Committee meeting, completely endorsed the view of Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji. Mr. Eduardo Ferrero ji, who was a former External Affairs Minister, proposed that resolution that we should, all Political Affairs Committee should stand with Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji's statement, and he has never given a statement which is wrong. It has been only twisted by the BJP and those Godi media close to BJP, and that there are liberal medias who carry the truth. Therefore, the Political Affairs Committee has, Goa Pradesh Congress Committee, Political Affairs Committee has passed a resolution expressing their solidarity with Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
खंडणी प्रकरणात कोण आसा ताचे कळंगूटच्या आमदारान नाव घेवचें, विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी मागता.
Michael Lobo should name. He made a statement, but he should completely name the people. And if CM feels that it is, he's yesterday made a statement that the signatures are wrong and whatever, but this is a very serious allegation. We will raise it in the house as well. We asked for a clarification, but first Michael Lobo should name the person. We have an assembly session now on the 27th, and we request, all of us, all the opposition MLAs, we will raise this issue. These cases of extortion can only happen when there are officers and bureaucrats and all politicians involved.
प्रशासन तुमच्या दारी हो इव्हेंट, प्रशासन फेल जाला म्हूण खंय दाखोवन दिता.
तेंगेलो एक प्रोग्राम जालो प्रशासन तुमच्या दारी म्हणून, आनी थिंगा लोकांक म्हाका दिसता इट वॉज अ बिग फेलियर, दिस स्टेप of this government to go towards the people. The people basically exposed this total collapse of their administration. सरकार तेंगेलो आमदार हा मरे बाबूश बोन्सरातान कितें सांगिल्लें? बाबूश बोन्सरातान स्टेटमेंट केलो पयशे घेताय मु जॉबाक. हेजे कितें आन्सर? एक्सटॉर्शन चलता मु मायकल लोबो सांगता मरे. आम सांगिला मागीर क्लीन आणून थंयलो मरे. Where is the question of clean? Your own ministers, MLAs are making statements against you all. So basically, this government is not serious for the future of Goa and Goans. They are only here to sell Goa. This is all that is their interest.
तुम्ही लोकांक पयले कळोवपा जाय, एडवान्स नोटीस दिवपा जाय, कित्याक लोक मागीर तुमी तेंचे कितें आहा ते हिशोब आहा ते काटले, ऑफिसरां दितले, मागीर सगळें मांडून मागीर ते दिसा येवपा जाता. नाल्यार असले आमकां एक दीस पयलीं सांगलां ते फाल्यां आहात म्हणून ते प्रोग्राम, आनी एश कोन्न जालें जाल्यार लोक येचना आनी लोकांचे प्रॉब्लेम आयले जाल्यार सगळे तुमचे रिजल्ट झिरो जातलो म्हणून. So these are not successful. This will be just like another event management without any fruitful result.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.